Here are 3 things that can make a girl like you, want to be with you, and always want to be around you. Make sure to do these 3 things during the getting to know each other stage to make it easier to win her over. If you've been struggling to attract girls or often get rejected, pay close attention to this video. Pay attention to each point, especially point number 3, because after watching this video, your life might change. You'll gain the confidence to win over the girl you like and avoid constant rejection. Let's get straight to it. 1. Make her feel like she needs you. Winning over a girl isn't that hard as long as you understand her mindset. Girls only want to be approached by guys they feel they need. If she doesn't feel she needs you, she'll ignore you. So before approaching a girl, make sure you're someone she would want in her life. Think about what value or benefits you can offer her beyond just love. Girls don't need just that. Instinctively, even since ancient times, they choose partners who fulfill a need. It's not about guys who only offer sweet talk or charm. So, what are the traits of a guy that girls need? You don't have to be perfect. If you have a good job, lots of money, and popularity, that's great. But if you don't have all that yet, at least have the determination to get a good job, become successful, or gain recognition. Many successful people out there achieve their success through hard work, not privilege. This means as long as you're willing to work hard, not wasting your time on games or scrolling through TikTok all day, and not complaining about your situation, you can become the kind of guy all girls would want. If you're rejected by a girl now because you're not financially successful yet, it's okay. What matters is that you're trying to change your situation. The way the world works is that your life only changes if you make the effort to change it. No excuses. Girls will only choose you if you can be someone they need. And to become that person, you must be willing to make an effort. Work toward all your goals and improve any lacking areas in your life. Keep striving to grow and become better. 2. Make her feel proud to have you. According to research, girls are highly self-focused, more so than guys. They love showing off what they have and are very competitive. Girls always want to have something better than other girls. So if you want to be a guy who girls chase after, there's only one key. Become a guy she can be proud of, at least in terms of appearance. If you feel you weren't born with attractive looks, keep these 2 points in mind. First, everyone is born with their own strengths. If you have darker skin, for instance, you might have other positive features like a tall build or thick hair. Focus on what you have, appreciate it, and avoid dwelling on your flaws. Second, every girl has her own tastes. The idea of whether a guy is attractive or not is very subjective. Each girl has her own perspective. For example, guys with darker skin, who might often be labeled as unattractive, can actually be a preference for some beautiful models abroad. So there's no need to feel insecure about your natural physical traits. You should only feel insecure if your appearance has deteriorated from what it once was. For instance, if your once clear face is now acne-prone, or your bright skin has turned dull, that's a sign of poor hygiene or lack of skincare. Having clear, healthy skin is important. How can a girl feel proud of you if your face is unclean, acne-prone, and oily? She'll likely want to distance herself and feel embarrassed about being with you. If your skin is currently struggling, it's time to start caring for it. Not for anyone else, but for yourself. Start using skincare products, and don't pay attention to those who say skincare is only for girls. The truth is, a truly cool guy is one who takes care of his skin, keeping it healthy and free of acne. Number 3. Show leadership qualities. Being the kind of leader a girl admires doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple things, like balancing her ego instead of opposing it. For example, when she's upset or causing drama, don't argue with her. Just stay calm, listen, and let her express herself. Then, ask her what she really wants. If her request is reasonable, go along with it. If it's unreasonable or goes against your principles, don't be afraid to say no and explain your reasons. Being a leader for a girl doesn't mean showing that you're strict or that she must always follow your word. A good leader listens. If you still think girls are difficult to understand, then you haven't truly understood them. Girls have a strong ego, but instead of challenging it, you should balance it. If she's angry, stay calm. If she's emotional, use logic. Try practicing this approach when you're getting to know a girl. You'll realize that you're becoming the kind of leader every girl dreams of. Alright bro, that's it for this video. I hope it's clear and helpful.